Hi there, my name's Mark Rayner and I'm from Calgary, Alberta, over on the west side of Canada. And I've been asked to do more videos like this by people who've seen my other videos. So today I'm going to talk to you about an absolute amazing transformation that took place in my business. Now, as many of you know, when I first started, I really struggled in my business. I did the whole make a list of friends and family. I handed out flyers on the street. I bothered strangers in gas stations and all that sort of stuff that you're taught to do. And I got nowhere. It took me 6 months and I got nowhere. In fact, I started to really hate my business, to be honest with you. I almost quit. And then I discovered a ready-made, ready-packaged online system all ready to go. I didn't have to do one thing. And within 3 weeks of using this online system, I was nearly generating 1 lead per day. And that means leads coming to me. But that's not the best part. The best part of this system is people started to email me, and some people even sent me their telephone numbers because they wanted me to call them about my business. Now, that is an incredible transformation, and when you're calling someone who wants to talk to you, I tell you, that's a great feeling and it changes everything. Now, as I mentioned, this is a ready-made system. Before I tell you about it and how you can get your hands on it, I want to tell you the story of how I discovered it. Now, when I first went online, when I first realized this whole, making a list and all that sort of stuff wasn't working very well, I went online and I found all of the really big earners online. And what I did was I went on all their blogs, I joined all their mailing lists, and I watched all the YouTube videos. I did all that sort of stuff. And the reason I did that is because I was really trying to reverse engineer what these guys were doing. I wanted to work out what is it that made the difference. What is it they were all doing? And I discovered they were all doing exactly the same thing. The first thing is every single one of them became experts on one traffic generation method. Now, some of them were working on Facebook, some of them were working on YouTube, some of them were doing Craigslist, but they focused on one thing. That's very important, I realized later, because what tends to happen when you're first starting out is you try this, and you try that, and you try something else, and you tend to jump around before you actually get any momentum, before you get any traction in that marketing method. So that's what first thing I realized. Okay, focus on one traffic generation method and master it until it's really working for you. The second thing these guys who were making a lot of money did is they sent the traffic to a lead capture page, and it was one of these sort of pages where it offered something of great value. For example, there was one which had training about how to build your business using Facebook, and of course Facebook is so hot right now that everyone who sees this page almost opts in. They want to get this training because they want to learn how to build their business on Facebook. So they gave away free valuable training. So number one, they got targeted traffic. Number two, they sent them to a capture page. And number three, they asked people to opt in to get the free training. Number four is once people were on their mailing list, they had an automatic system that followed up with emails, kind of drip feeding information every couple of days. Now, through this process, what happens is it's kind of an interesting thing. After you've watched the video, after you've got lots of emails from these people, you almost feel like you know them. Okay, you get to this sort of situation where you feel like you've got to know that person. And because of that system, these people became very, very attractive to people, and literally people would start contacting them and wanting to know what business they're working and how they can actually work with them. This is the collective name for this is called attraction marketing. But that's such a simple way of saying it. There's a vast amount of information about what attraction marketing really is. But what I just gave you was the summary. More importantly, that's very important. That was just a summary of what it's all about. Now, to set all that stuff up, if you did it on your own, it would be really difficult. You'd have to build web pages, you'd have to hire copywriters, you wouldn't know if your capture page is converted, you'd have to create the training to give away or create something to give away. And that's why I was so happy when I found a ready-made system that basically has everything all ready to go. And I mean everything. You can look like one of these gurus literally tomorrow. You can get this system and you'll get the training on how to generate traffic. You'll get all the capture pages. You'll get all of the training to give away. You'll get the ready-made autoresponder sequence so that the emails go out drip feed out to your prospects, and you get it all basically by clicking the link below this video right now. You can get access to it. Now listen, maybe you feel like, oh, I don't want to get something new, but you owe it to yourself to really check this out. You need to go and look at this system and just observe how it works. Go through the system, watch the videos and watch the process and learn from that. Okay, I really encourage you to do that. So anyway, I'm done. That is my transformation, and I tell you what, it changes everything when you do this. It makes your life so much easier. That's it. Thanks for listening. I want you to click the link below this video right now and go and check this system out. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later. Bye.